Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete an order in Meesho. To begin, simply open the Meesho application on your mobile device. Once inside, navigate to the Orders section, which you'll find conveniently located on the bottom menu bar. From there, you can easily locate the specific order you wish to cancel or delete. This initial step is straightforward, ensuring you can quickly access your order history and manage your purchases with ease. Next, tap on the desired order to view its detailed information. On the Order Details screen, look for the Cancel Order button, which is typically found towards the bottom. It's crucial to confirm that the order's current status still allows for cancellation. Please note that some orders cannot be canceled after they have reached a certain processing stage, so acting promptly is key to a successful cancellation. This ensures you have the best chance to manage your purchase. Once you've initiated the cancellation, you'll be prompted to select a suitable reason for canceling your order from a provided list. If your specific reason isn't listed, simply choose Other and provide a brief, clear explanation in the text box. Submitting a reason is an important step, as it helps Meesho improve its services and better understand customer needs. Your feedback contributes to a better shopping experience for everyone on the platform. After successfully submitting your cancellation request, you will receive an immediate confirmation message indicating that your order has been canceled. For your records, it's a good idea to check your registered email or phone number for an official cancellation confirmation. If a refund is applicable for your canceled order, it will be processed according to Meesho's refund policy, typically within 5 to 7 business days. This ensures a smooth and complete resolution to your order management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.